At Tuteby, we're diving into the hottest topics transforming the tech world, starting with machine learning. Throughout this course, we'll explore machine learning, data science, and how they connect within the tech ecosystem. But first, let's break things down simply. Let's start at the very beginning. You'll need to understand and explain this topic clearly to colleagues, and sound confident doing so. So here we go. Let's take it step by step. You see, computers, or machines, are exceptional at specific tasks. They perform actions rapidly and follow instructions precisely. That's essentially what programming is, giving machines a series of instructions to perform tasks. By writing code, we tell the computer what to do, and it handles the heavy lifting. Computers revolutionized work by automating tasks that used to take dozens or hundreds of people. Back in the day, a computer was a human who calculated data. Now we rely on machines to do that math in milliseconds. They compute instantly. Let's imagine you want directions to your friend Daniel's house using Google Maps. You could use a paper map, measure routes manually, and do the math to find the shortest path. Or you could ask a computer, say there are 10 possible routes. Do you really want to calculate each one yourself? Instead, you program a computer to do it. Tell it to check all routes and return the shortest one. That's programming, automating problem solving. And the machine gives you the answer in seconds, all with the click of a button. You provide the logic, and the computer executes it perfectly. That's the power of computing. Companies loved computers because they reduced costs. One machine could do the work of 100 people. And unlike people, computers work 24/7, no breaks needed. They're great at rule-based tasks, things we can write clearly in code using if-else logic. And don't worry if you're new to this, we'll teach you Python from scratch. Right now, we're just covering the theory. Back to our route example. You can tell the computer, if route 1 is shorter than route 2, route 3, and so on, choose route 1. That's a clear instruction. Computers handle those brilliantly. Even in games. Like chess, we can write logic for each possible move. It's all code and rules. But what happens when we face tasks that aren't easy to explain? Like, is this person angry, or is this a photo of a cat? How do we explain angry in code? Can we describe a meow, or define whiskers in programming terms? Suddenly, it's not so simple. So we turn to humans for those harder tasks, like creativity and emotion, and let computers do the simple, repetitive stuff we can explain easily. But here's where machine learning changes everything. It opens new doors. Now, computers can learn to do things we previously thought only humans could. From self-driving cars to emotion detection, translation, and recommendation engines. Machine learning lets computers learn patterns, not just follow rules. It's not perfect. It doesn't always get it right, but it's getting better every day. The idea is to help machines become more human-like in their thinking and help us achieve more, faster. So here at Tuteby, we're going to walk you through the fundamentals and show you the fun side of machine learning. No stress, no pressure, just learning step by step. Later on, we'll dive into coding and building actual ML models. But for now, let's lay a solid foundation. See you in the next video. From Tuteby, bye for now. If you found this helpful, give us a like and subscribe for more tech content from Tuteby. Got questions? Drop them in the comments. We're here to help.